my name's Angela. I just signed up to be a mascara artist and I'm unboxing the Pro Artist Kit. This is the perfector. It's good for blending in when you apply the contour and highlight to your face. It's just to perfect your look. The kit comes with 6 brushes. This one is the 30-second hack, highlight and contouring. I have this brush and I love it. One side is a little bit thinner, so it's great for applying around the eyes, and the other one is great for contouring. This is the blush and bronzer. Super soft, love that. And the other side's more dense. This is the Power Powder Brush. It's way dense on that side and angled. It moves more on the other side and it's angled. It's quite interesting, I love it. Don't mind my nails. With between dishes and 3 kids under 5, they don't stay on very well. This is the detail hack for highlighting contour. This one's great for applying in specific areas, and this would be great for the side of the nose. You can see the difference between the 30-second hack and the detail hack. This is the eyeshadow everything. One side's smaller, great for creases. The other side is great for applying and probably blending, I would think. And you have the multitasker. I remember them saying, I think the multitasker is great for concealer, applying concealer to troubled spots, breakouts. Other side's great for eyeliner, I would think I would use, and for my eyebrows. Even though they do have an eyebrow brush, cute little shadows. The Pro Kit comes with 12 eyeshadow shades. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to try it out. Really pretty colors. This is the highlighter, which is what acts as like the creamy foundation. This color is Wheat. And we have the illuminator, Rose Gold. So pretty. I haven't used an illuminator yet. Contour. Then you have your lip and cheek. And this is Black Cherry. Pink Grapefruit. Look how beautiful that is. Sorry, I didn't realize where the lens was, so my aiming was a little off. And then this is your setting powder, Vanilla Dust. They have the bronzer, which is, this colors came in. It's like a matte powder and like a mid-tone brown color. And then Milk Moisturizer. Good stuff, good stuff. Then this comes with compacts. These are the quads, and then the double decker, and well, it's the mini double decker, and then this is the double decker. Can't see it because my aiming for camera was a little off. Love this. What I love about this kit is I buy palettes and I only use just a few out of a bunch. And this is very customizable. You can can change it to however you want. You can order each single piece of makeup. Comes with face cleanser, well, makeup removing wipes, and then informational cards, tattoos. This gives you a little idea of how to apply some makeup. So that was a kit. Hope you enjoy this video.